The Federal Reserve just announced its interest rate decision. Here is the breakdown. The Federal Reserve decided to leave interest rates unchanged for the fourth straight time, despite calls from President Trump to cut the rates to ease the $7 trillion maturing debt this year. What was interesting is that the dot plot showed 8 FOMC members predicting no cuts this year, while 10 participants see interest rates going down with at least 2 cuts in 2025. Another thing is, since the March projections, most members still see a slower GDP growth, higher unemployment rate, and higher inflation this year. This is unfortunately a recipe for stagflation. In my opinion, one of the most important statements Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, made is that the committee is monitoring the situation in the Middle East, and while it expects higher energy prices, they don't think that it will have significant effects on inflation on the long term, which in my opinion is extremely bullish. From the announcement at the FOMC meeting, the S&P pumped about 0.7%, then closed lower at the end of the trading session, while Bitcoin rose by 1.6%. Now, as a summary, the Fed decision is to hold rates despite Trump's push, fuel stagflation fears with slower growth, higher unemployment, and rising prices. While 10 FOMC members predicted at least 2 rate cuts, caution dominates. And just a funny bit to the end, Trump obviously again bashed JP, saying JP is a real dummy who's costing American billions. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is he right? Is he wrong?